Alright, what's good, y'all? So I'm sitting here editing. I'm like, damn, I need some oil and I need to do an oil change. I'm about to order some oil. I order everything off of Rocky Mountain. This ain't sponsored or nothing. If y'all want to sponsor me, I'm here. But I'm about to order everything. I need two-stroke oil and I need bottom end oil. I use synthetic Yamalube, synthetic regular. It's like 40 a gallon or 45 a gallon or something like that. And then I use Castor 927 two-stroke. I ordered it off of Rocky Mountain because they got everything cheap. And I live in Columbus, Ohio, if y'all didn't know. Rocky Mountain has a factory or whatever in Kentucky. We're right next to each other. And we're like 2 hours away. So it comes the next day. So I'm about to order it right now. Alright, so I got my two-stroke. This is the main thing I needed. This is all I had. I had like a few ounces. I gotta fill these up with this. And then I gotta do a bottom end oil change. This one's empty, I already had that one. But I gotta do a bottom end oil change and I gotta fill all my oils up. I gotta fill that gas tank up. And then we're ready to go to Cincinnati. So I'm gonna do that. And then I got my reeds for my boy's bike right here. He want me to fix it. It's a Hoagie, I know. My boy, if you're watching, you know your shit's a Hoagie. There it is. I'm gonna replace the reeds on there because you got some aftermarket shit on there. And then, yeah. So this bike ended up needing a top end. So I took the cylinders and shit off, cool that off. We're gonna get him a different head because he has some aftermarket advanced timing shit on here. We're gonna swap all that out. We're gonna get these bored out. So I got the Sydney's out right now. And on my bike, I took off that aftermarket steel bar. I like the OEM one better. But we're about to go take these to FedEx right now and get them shipped out to get bored out and get the top end back. All right, so we're about to go ride. Some people came from out of town or whatever, asked me to come out, so I'm gonna come out. I'm gonna put y'all on the helmet and we're gonna head out.
You wanna ride with me?
I
I know, I was just asking.
Four-wheeler.
I know, I was just asking. I was just seeing where your head was at.
Yeah, four-wheeler. Yeah.
Go missing?
Yeah, I'm riding on that.